Hello guys, update again. Today I put my tomato plant outside because I was building this forward lamp holder, and yeah, it was 14 degrees and a little bit sun, and when I just wake up a little bit ago, it was pouring down with hail, wind, and yeah. So my tomato plant not so good right now. Maybe they will come back again, but we will see. Yeah. So I know the light is a little bit high, but it is just for now because I just put the tomato back inside, and yeah, we will see. They maybe rise again. Yeah. So I bought these new light bulbs, 40 watts, and I bought these holders, and I made this lamp holder, or what you want to call it. I think it's pretty neat. It's much easier, and I think the light is better than the tubing. Yeah, I think I will buy maybe 6 more and put them together, so I have a big light area here next winter. And I just use electric wire with a knot underneath, and then to a chain, so it's easy to adjust in the ceiling. That's really nice. The chain was a little bit expensive, but that's okay, because the other one I use only the electric wire, and I have to go up and tie every time I need to change, but yeah, that's okay too. But I think I will just be using these lights. They were pretty cheap too, only 99 Swedish crown for a piece, and they are LED, so yeah, pretty neat. And a little bit other updates, stay tuned. Yeah, and I bought some tomatoes from the store, and I took the seeds from 4 of them. This is not cherry, plum tomato, maybe plommontomat in Swedish. And I saw them all, and oh my god, the germination was, I think, almost 100%. And for the sunflowers, Jesus, they are growing like hell. Oh my god. These titans and the Kong, yeah, chopsticks to and bamboo stick to hold them up now. Yeah, and I have to replant 2 Congo, and one is just coming up now. Are they growing this big? You know, someone, please. I do not know. This is ridiculous. They are maybe 20 centimeters high now. Yeah. Okay. And for the tomato I planted outside, well, not much left. Here you see it's still little hail left in the pot. I think this one not going to make it. The bed is ready and waiting for spring or summer or something, better weather anyway. I bought a drip hose and put down so it goes all over the bed, and then they ended up there. It's in a loop, or what you say, so it's cover both sides and the middle. Yeah, and the other, yeah, not good. And for the sunflower in the bottle, nah, nothing, nada, zip. Okay guys, take care. It's now May something date, I do not know. 10 degrees outside, nighttime. 5 maybe now. So, and hail on the ground. Swedish summer. Oh yeah. Take care. Stay safe. Bye bye.